Ever wonder why we serve bread with spaghetti? I mean, they're both starches. So why is this such a natural tradition to always have both? And what about corn on the cob dripping in butter? You know, the corn really does taste great all by itself. And why are we using butter or margarine to make grilled sandwiches when we could use olive oil instead? You know, just because we always have done things a certain way might be the exact reason we're facing such a health crisis today. And you know, there's this great story. This woman goes, she calls up her mom. She says, Mom, she was 27 years old, newly married. She goes, I want to bake a ham, just like the ham you bake. How do I do it, Mom? She goes, well, you get the ham out, you slice the ends off, you put it in the pan with some water, cover it with aluminum foil, bake it 350 for 1 hour. And she goes, okay, Mom. She said, but how come you cut off the ends? And she said, well, she goes, I don't know, you just do. And her daughter's like, oh. So she calls up her grandmother and she says, hi, Grandma. She said, I want to bake a ham. Tell me, how do you bake a ham? She goes, oh, honey, what you do is you cut off the ends, you put it in a pan, put some water in there, cover it up with aluminum foil, bake it 350 for 1 hour. She goes, well, okay, Grandma. She goes, but how come you cut off the ends? She goes, oh, I don't know, you just do. So she calls up her great-grandma, who's in a nursing home. And her great-grandma is just so, oh, hi, honey, how are you? Oh, sweetheart, you want to bake a ham? No problem. She goes, what you do is you cut off the ends, and you put some water in there, and you cover it with aluminum foil, and you bake it 350 degrees for 1 hour. And she said, well, that's great, great-grandma, but tell me, how come you cut off the ends? And she goes, oh. She goes, that's the only way it'll fit in my pan. This week, think about what traditions you shouldn't be passing on one day longer and begin your lifestyle paradigm shift today.